Hello, welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. Thank you for stopping by. And today is another Hello Invite Challenge. And this month is Hello Love. And of course, it's being hosted by Tammie, the Rustic Willow, and Ellie, DIY from House to Home. And the guest host this month is Marika, Marika's Creation. And of course, you will find the playlist down in my description box. So please make sure to go to my description box as soon as you watch my video and make sure to watch all of these beautiful, talented creators. And please make sure to subscribe, like, and share with your families and friends so they can also be inspired. I found these 3 hearts at Dollar Tree. I fell in love with them. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to separate them, and that shiny ribbon I will be eliminating on all 3 of them. I am going to make 3 different projects. And now I have this steering wheel cover. I found that at Dollar Tree. I'm going to just go ahead and cover this heart up with this wheel cover and some hot glue. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous. So as you saw, all I did was glue both of the ends together around the heart, and look at how gorgeous this is turning out. So now I'm going to put the heart to the side, and I have this watered down acrylic paint that I added water off camera. And this tag here I bought at Dollar Tree over the summer. So I'm going to go ahead and give it 1 coat with that watered down acrylic paint. And now with some brown paint, I'm going to go ahead and distress the entire tag. So it's time to go ahead and embellish this tag. So the heart that we covered, I'm going to go ahead and put plenty of hot glue, and I'm going to put it right on top of this tag. And this love sign, oh my god, this is so beautiful. I got this at Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and give it 1 coat with the same brown acrylic paint, and then I'm coming in with a wipey, and I'm going to try to take as much as this brown paint off. And with some hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and glue it right on top of the heart. And I have this nautical rope, and I'm going to go ahead with some hot glue. I'm going to glue it right here. And of course, you could feel free to cover the back if you're going to sell it. But because I am going to keep this for me, I'm going to leave it just the way it is. And with the same nautical rope, I'm going to go ahead and put it right here so we could hang it on the wall. I'm going to cut it, but before then, I'm going to put some hot glue so like that the rope won't come apart. And I'll do that to both of the ends, and then I'll glue both of them together. Don't forget to leave me in the comment section what you think about this beautiful DIY. Moving on to the second and third DIY, I'm going to go ahead and take out this ribbon, and of course I have this other plaque here. I have 2 of the same. They come from Michael's. I'm going to go ahead and continue to use the same paint that I've been using on the first DIY, and with a wipey I'll be removing all the excess paint. with the second plaque, I'm going to be doing the exact same thing. I'm going to use the brown acrylic paint, and I'm also going to wipe it down as I go. Now these two are completely done. I'm going to put them to the side. I have this cloth from the adult section at Dollar Tree, and I am going to be cutting the whole thing into 2 inches wide. So now these strips are completely cut, and now I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping them on both of the hearts. It's going to come out absolutely gorgeous. And I will be adding hot glue wherever is needed. This is the way it looks. Look how gorgeous. So I'm going to do the same thing to this one. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it around off camera, coming back with this beautiful plaque. And I have some bamboo sticks that I'm going to be cutting to size, and I'll be gluing them to all 4 sides of both of these beautiful plaques that I just stained with that brown acrylic paint. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same process with the same brown paint. I'm going to go ahead and paint 2 of the hearts, then later on I switch one of the hearts around because I didn't want both of them to be the same. You'll see what I'm talking about. And now it's time to assemble this. I'm gonna put this heart right here in the middle. This is so beautiful. I am so in love with these projects. Please leave me in the comment section what you think about these DIYs. And again, don't forget that this is part of a collaboration, Hello Love. So make sure to go visit these talented young ladies as soon as you're done with my video. Go down to the description box and look for that playlist. So now the wood heart, I'm gonna go ahead and put some hot glue in the border, and then I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right on top of the white heart. Oh my god, this turned out so beautiful. I did not know where I was gonna go with this project, but it came out so gorgeous. I am totally in love. This is going to go in my wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this 3 times, and this is baker's twine. I'll do that on the top and the bottom. Okay, now for the third DIY. With the same bamboo sticks, I'm cutting them to size and I'm gluing them on the border with some hot glue. And here is the second heart. I'm going to do the same process with plenty of hot glue. I'm going to go ahead and glue it, but facing the opposite way of the one that I did prior to this one. And this is the heart that I decided to glue. So this is the second heart. This is beautiful. You can find these hearts at Dollar Tree. And if you cannot find them at Dollar Tree, which I doubt because they have so many different types of hearts, you could probably go ahead and check out Hobby Lobby. They have a good variety as well. And you saw what I did. I took some hot glue and I put it in the border. And now with this beautiful ribbon, oh my God, this is so beautiful. And then of course I'm coming in with that baker's twine and I'll be putting it around here 3 times, just like the other frame that we created in the beginning, or I should say the second DIY. And remember, if you like this video, make sure to give me that big thumbs up and I will see you in my next video.